English Paper 2 Section A. Read the extracts and answer the questions. એટલે કે ફકરા વાંચીને તે પ્રશ્નના નીચે આપેલ પ્રશ્નના જવાબ લખવાના છે. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, What happened after Prem Chopra was arrested? જવાબ, After Prem Chopra was arrested, he was released on bail until the court hearing. બીજો પ્રશ્ન, Why was Prem Chopra given bail? Answer, Prem Chopra was given bail till the court hearing because none of the stolen articles were recovered from him. Prashna number 3. Which organization did Arun found at the age of 17? Arun founded an NGO called Environmentalist Foundation of India at the age of 17. Chotho Prashna. What are the activities of Arun's team? Jawab. Arun's team cleans lakes, beaches and zoos, plants trees, educates people through street plays and also makes environment-friendly paper bags. Prashna 5. Why was Helen proud? Jawab. Helen was proud because she was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Prashna number 6. What was the goal in Helen's life? Jawab. The goal in Helen's life was to spread awareness regarding the poor, neglected state of the blind, their innate abilities and their inspirations. Prashna number 7. How does the hornbill get its name? Jawab. The hornbill's beak or bill has an extra portion like a horn and so it is called hornbill. Prashna number 8. Why is the hornbill called Vau Ghelo? The hornbill is called Vau Ghelo for its caring behavior for female. Prashna number 9. Which are the different learning style? Jawab. The different learning styles are listening, writing, drawing, flowcharts and diagrams, discussions and reflective thinking. Prashna number 10. How can you remember for longer duration? Jawab. We can remember for longer duration by adopting more than one style of learning. હવે નવી સૂચના છે. રાઇટ એની વન ઓફ ધ ફોલોઈંગ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ ફોકસિંગ ઓન ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ઓર પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલ છે, પ્રશ્ન સ્વરૂપે પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલ છે, તેના ઉપરથી શોર્ટ નોટ બનાવીને લખવાની છે. 2 ઓપ્શન હશે, ગમે તે એક લખવાનું છે, 3 માર્કની રહેશે. એટલે પ્રશ્ન નંબર 11 પહેલી શોર્ટ નોટ છે, પાયરોટેકનિક્સ. The science of fireworks is called pyrotechnics. It is derived from the Greek word pyre, meaning fire, and techniques, meaning an art. Pyrotechnics includes not only fireworks but also a whole range of devices that use similar materials and principles, from safety matches that we use every day to solid fuel rocket boosters of the space shuttle. The household match is considered a special pyrotechnic device as all the pyrotechnic effects, heat, smoke, light, gas and sound are present in it. The Chinese are considered the pioneers of pyrotechnics. The greatest danger of pyrotechnics is that it deals with fire. Second short note, Kutch. Kutch was Brihaspati's son. The Devs sent him to Shukracharya to learn the Sanjeevani Vidya. He lived in Shukracharya's ashram and served him with devotion. He won Shukracharya's favor. When the Asurs came to know why Kutch was living with Shukracharya, they decided to kill him. Every time they killed him, he was brought back to life by Shukracharya. When he was brought back to life for the 3rd time, he came out of Shukracharya's stomach, and then he used the magic mantra to revive Shukracharya. When he wanted to return home, Devyani told him to marry her. But Kutch refused, saying that he loved her as a sister because both of them had come out from the same father. He did not want to commit a sin by marrying her. નવી સૂચના, રાઇટ વેધર ધ ફોલોઈંગ સેન્ટેન્સીસ આર ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ. 4 ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ રહેશે, દરેકનો 1 માર્ક રહેશે. 4 ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ છે. 12મો પ્રશ્ન, ધ ગવર્મેન્ટ ફંડેડ 21 લાખ રૂપીઝ ટુ બિલ્ડ ધ રેલવે સ્ટેશન. ફોલ્સ, કેમ કે ગવર્મેન્ટે એમાં કોઈ પણ જાતના પૈસા આપ્યા નહોતા. 13મું, ધ મધર્સ પાર્ટ્સ શુડ બી મૂવેબલ એન્ડ રિપ્રેસેબલ. ટ્રુ. 14મું, ધ સેકન્ડ સ્ટેજ ઓફ હેલેન્સ લર્નિંગ વોઝ બેઝડ ઓન ધ સેન્સ ઓફ ટચ. ટ્રુ. Blandford believed that he loved Manel but she did not love him. False, કેમ કે બ્લેન્ડફોર્ડ બિલીવ્ડ કે મેનેલ પણ તેને પ્રેમ કરતી હતી.